Hey guys, Tyler here with Xtool USA. Today we are working on a 2014 Ford Focus. We're going to be programming this key from our Nitro key kit using the Nitro XT. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go to Special Functions, Immobilization, hit Agree, go to US Ford. I'm going to go ahead and stick the key in the ignition and switch it to the on position. And then we're going to come back here. We're going to go by vehicle, immobilizer. We're going to look for focus. And we'll do 14 to 18. Number of keys, 2. We're going to go ahead and hit add a key. So switch a new key, put a new key in the ignition, switch it on, which we have already done. So I'm going to hit yes. And let it read the information from the vehicle. Alright, so now it says switch ignition off, wait for 10 seconds, and then switch the ignition on. So I already switched it off, I'm gonna wait about 10 seconds. And we'll switch it back on. And then hit OK. It says read success, hit OK. And it says the key was successfully programmed. Let's double check number of keys. It says 3 in the system. I believe it was 2 earlier. Let's go ahead and try to crank the car. There may be an issue with the vehicle. This is a tow yard we are working at. Yeah, it sounds like it's going to be an issue with the vehicle. We'll go ahead and just double check the immobilizer light goes out real quick, which I do not see it on, which means this key is programmed. So that's good. Now, we just have to do the remote. And so this is actually going to be an onboard process. This is not done with the scan tool. So I'm going to show you the process for that. It's going to, there's actually a couple different ones for Ford. So I'm going to test a few things and we'll see which one works. So I'm going to start by switching the ignition on and off 4 times and wait for a chime from the vehicle. Actually, so it was 8 times. I got the chime. I gotta start over now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Off, on. Hold on, sorry. Let's try it one more time. I think it was 12 times. So we're gonna do it 12 times. I keep getting it and I keep switching it off. Let's try it one more time. There it is. So once you get the chime, press any button on the remote once, and it should be programmed at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and close the door and check it. Lock and unlock work. So for this vehicle, it was on and off 8 times. On the 8th time you switch it to the off position, you'll hear a small chime from the vehicle. Once you hear that chime, you're going to press any button on the remote. You'll hear a second chime to confirm that the remote was successfully programmed. So that's all it is to it. This key is programmed, remote and transponder, and we're good to go. Thanks, guys.